Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Pippin County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pippin, or 6 miles northwest of Wabusha, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of western Pippin County, including the following locations: Arkansas, Ella, and Porcupine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect 4 p.m. for southwestern Rusk, northwestern Chippewa, and southeastern Barron counties. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located